I lost 2 dogs and 2 cats.
Oh, man.
It's still emotional. This is our life. I mean, we've been here for 50 years, and it's pretty tough.
When we came out, the sky just turned black. I mean, the smoke was so thick. And luckily we made it out and into the migrant caravan, which I think was probably about 30 miles long, to the town of Wheeler. And then they evacuated Wheeler. So we headed to Elk City, Oklahoma. Then they said the wind was going to shift from the north. That would be no good. And we finally got lucky and found a room in Childress, Texas, and stayed the night there and came back this morning.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.